guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make an outdoor balloon garland and also a balloon column. If you guys want to learn how to make this, well, keep on watching. So this is how I made the outdoor balloon garland. Very simple to use. I did not use the balloon strip. What I did is that I used fishing wire, which worked perfectly, and I really liked how the balloons are really tight, and it made it easier to actually just stick it on the wall. What I used to make sure that the balloons stay in place, I used command hooks. I glued them in the corner of the door, and then I hooked it up just using more fishing wire, and I just tied it to the command hooks, and then it just worked perfectly like that. So it was very simple to use, and the balloons that I use are actually from the dollar store, so it's nothing fancy, but really it did the job, and it just came out so nice. So you can really create a beautiful look on a budget, seriously. For the balloon column, what I did is that I stacked 3 rows of 4 balloons together, and I attached them with fishing wire to make sure that they stay in place. You can also put a weight right in the middle, so like that you know that it's not going to move. If you want to purchase one, you can purchase some at the balloon store, or even any party store have them, or even the dollar store, or you can even create one yourself. Basically just use a balloon, and then you can fill it in with sand or even rice, and then just tie it up, and you will have your weight right there. So you can use that to make sure that your balloon doesn't move. And then I topped it with foiled numbers that I purchased also at the dollar store, and I created little designs on the side with those long balloons. So, and there you go. It worked perfect, and they came out really nice, and I really like the result. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.